Hey, are you in Legendary Marketer and you're looking for what autoresponder to use, how to actually build your list, and you're wondering what autoresponder you should use, right? You're giving a lot of different options such as, Clickfunnels or System.io, which is right here. And I'm going to go over both of these options and let you know, which of the options, are good for you. So basically, ClickFunnels is a household name. They're able to charge as much as they charge because they're branded as one of the top funnel builders. Now, while, ClickFunnels is one of the very well-known names that's been around for a while, it's very, very pricey as far as a funnel builder, and it has very, limited functionality, and you don't really get a lot for having, ClickFunnels unless you get the higher packages. When you pay, up to $300 per month, which is right here, that's when you get all the unlimited stuff. So you don't even get unlimited funnels until you pay $300 a month, which is crazy. It's very expensive, it's overrated, and basically here's when you get access to all this stuff. But at the very best, at the very least that you'll pay is $147 per month, right? So this is very, very, it's very, very overrated as far as a funnel builder goes. And you won't get too much support. You'll be kind of, left to figure it out on your own. I mean, they do review certain things, don't get me wrong, but, chances are you're always going to speak to their support, which you'll have to wait on, right? So you'll be paying all this money, and you have to wait on support. And one of the downfalls to using, ClickFunnels is that you only get 30% commissions to promote this funnel builder. Now, with System.io, this is a little bit better deal, right? You're not paying as much, and you get unlimited, funnels and stuff like that for $100 a month. Still, if you're gonna build long term, you're gonna at least be paying $100 per month. And this affiliate program is a little bit better. I mean, you get 50% commissions on the affiliate side, so it's better than ClickFunnels, but it does have some limited functionality as far as that goes, because you only have a certain amount of ability until you get to the unlimited plan, right? And so basically, I wanted to tell you about something that's a little bit better than both of these things, and I'm going to tell you about that right now. I'm going to log in firsthand and show you. I'm going to show you the best tool on earth that you could possibly use. So this is what all of my funnels and stuff are built off of. And the cool thing about this is I can manage my entire team's funnels. So anybody that you have that actually signs up with you can use this builder, right? And you can help them to actually build and design any kind of funnel that they want to design. They could build a membership site. They could, build their own products. They could do whatever they need to do to build online with their online business. And the cool thing about this is every element of this is drag and drop. And the cool thing is I built my entire traffic store off of these tools. So I mean, if we go to my traffic store right here, here's my traffic store. So it was built off of these tools. So I'm going to show you right here these tools, and there's actually a benefit to using these tools right here. So here's 26 grand that I have with just this site alone. And these are all my packages that I sell for email traffic. So if you go to profitbuilderstraffic.com, here's the site. It was built off of these tools. And these tools are only a $25 a month price point, and you get a $20 a month residual commission. So imagine what I was able to make just off of this. This is almost $30,000 just off of a $25 a month builder, right? It's really amazing, and this does not even include my affiliate commissions for my team members that have signed up with me using this tool, right? So it's really, really amazing in that sense, and I would highly suggest you using this tool to actually build and grow any business, including if you're promoting, legendary marketers. So this will help you to build the legendary marketer business or any kind of opportunity that you want to build. We have people in all different areas, people that have nonprofits, people that are in real estate, people that build out their own products, people that are in network marketing, people that are in affiliate marketing, and they're only paying $25 a month to do all this amazing stuff that you see within my site right here. I could build out anything. I could build out a membership site, my own products. It's really, really amazing. So this is by far the best funnel building tool that you can use. It's way better than this one that you're paying $300 a month to use for only limited stuff. And you can only have 3 websites, and they have a bunch of limitations even with the unlimited version. And so there's still limitations, and this starts at $147 per month. So imagine, you're paying less for this right here, and you're getting more. So you're only paying $25 a month, and you're getting a $20 per month commission. So anybody that uses this, you get a $20 per month commission. This is what I suggest to use. And definitely, if you decide to use this funnel building tool, you could get to a link in the description that will send you to this this tool right here. You have to sign up, and the cool thing about it is we have daily hands-on coaching. So you get daily hands-on coaching on marketing. You would know how to actually market your business on a daily basis, right? And so when you go to check out to get this funnel builder tool, make sure you click on that box below the checkout, so you can get 2 weeks free of coaching, daily hands-on coaching, live by Zoom marketing. I've never seen nothing like it, and it's really, really amazing. And when you sign up to work with me, you also get some traffic package bonuses. Being part of my team, you would be part of the Profit Builders Alliance group, and we have a group and a chat, so you would get consistent contact with me. So if you signed up for opportunities in the past and you really got little to no support, you're going to want to actually sign up with me, because I give my team daily hands-on support, and people know exactly what to do in their business to get results, right? It's really, really amazing, and I never really had support when I first started in marketing about 7 years ago. That's why I offer all the support along with what we do. You get daily hands-on support, and I would have access to your funnels as well. And then we do the daily coaching, so you could just hop on a coaching call, ask your questions, and get help hands-on in real time, right? And I love everybody that I work with. They're like family, so I would love you to be a part of that family. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and make sure you click on the link below this video to get into my free Facebook group. It's a free Facebook group that you can actually access. It doesn't cost you nothing to get in. It's for the public, right? And it's different from the group that I was telling you about, the private group. When you sign up, they're 2 different groups. So make sure you keep that in mind. And also, make sure you share this video and get it out to as many people as possible who are also in different opportunities, including the legendary marketer opportunity, who may be looking for an autoresponder or a funnel builder. that they can use. This is a perfect funnel builder to be able to use, and you earn from it. So it pays you to use it, which is really, really cool. And you get 80% commissions on any product that you own. So, you know, if you have coaching, you also earn from the coaching. You'll earn $100 per month from the coaching on top of the $20 that you get from the funnel builder, which is really, really amazing. Make sure you check out these links in the description, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you reach out to me if you have any questions. All right, I'll talk to you soon, and bye for now.